Today we are going to discuss very interesting chapter in mathematics, that is first one, numbers all around us. Okay, so see, whenever we wake up we will see numbers, we will play with numbers. Why we will use numbers in our real life? We will use numbers for comparing and ordering the numbers. Okay, suppose you have got 20 marks in previous test and your friend got 18 marks in the test. So here some comparison must be required, right? So that order also required. Who is the topper, who is the next, who is the next, like that the marks will be arranged. Here also, that is why numbers are useful in real life. Not only in classroom purpose, they will use for some other comparison purpose also. Like last year population of India is this much it is, next year this is going to increase by this much, like that numbers are very much useful for comparing and ordering. Okay, so let us see how to order huge numbers. See here, to compare the order of digits, what we have to do, we have to align the digits by its place value. Okay, by place value we need to arrange them first. Later, compare the digits in each place. So compare the digits in each place and starting with the greatest place value. Greatest place value will be at the extreme left. Okay, that is the greatest place value. And the least place value of a number will be extreme right. Okay, we know this already.
So now let us get into semester 2, the first chapter, and that is ratio and proportion. What does ratio mean and how do we use this term in our real life? See here children, we have some fruits, we have apples, we have mangoes. How many apples are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 apples. How many mangoes are there? 1, 2. 2 mangoes, 6 apples. Now from this we have a question also. What is the ratio of apples to mangoes? What does ratio mean? Ratio means I have told you. It is the comparison of two quantities. Now see here. What is the first quantity? Apples. How many apples are there? 6. Right. Now this is the symbol we use. Denote ratios to represent ratios. 2 dots, one upon the other. Now next we have completed apples. Let us see mangoes. How many mangoes are there? 2 mangoes. That's it, we have written. What is the ratio of apples to mangoes? 6:2.
3D shapes means what? 3D. 3D means it should have 3 dimensions. This is a cuboid. If you dismantle it, you will find 6 faces. Okay. Generally, your shoe box is the best example of your cuboid. Okay. So if you dismantle it, how many faces you will have? 6 faces you will have. If you dismantle it, it will be like this. This box is said to be hollow cuboid. Okay. Today we are going to discuss about an interesting topic, that is first chapter, real numbers. Okay, now what we have to represent? 2.235. So this number will be lying in between 2 and 3. So if you magnify that in between 2 and 3, you will have that 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5 like this up to 3. So again our number is lying in between 2.23 and 2.24, 2.235. So we will round that 2.235. So like this we will visualize by successive magnification method. Now angle B is given by 75 degrees. Okay. So 75 degrees from B, I will draw a line. Okay, now I am trying to cut this arc. Okay, by placing here only, cut this arc also. Now, if you draw, so see, this circle will pass through all the 3 given points. Let us see here. If you see figure here, there is a school of fish, right? That group we are telling with a name, that is a school of fish. Next, a pile of books. Okay. Next, a bunch of keys, a bunch of flowers. To represent a certain group of objects, we require something. Now, I will draw the table sin, cos, tan, cot, cosec and sec. And that side I will take specific angles, those are 0, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees as well as 90 degrees. Sin 0 is 0, sin 30 is 1 by 2, sin 45 1 by 2, sin 60 root 3 by 2, sin 90 value, that is sin 90 is 1. So like this I can fill the table.